Hey everyone, Michelle Alexandria. I know you're probably tired of me talking about my OLED, and I'm tired of talking about my OLED and buying TVs and all this other stuff. So this is going to be my last video probably for a while on TVs. Because I settled. I'm pretty much settled on the fact that I am keeping my. I was never going to get rid of my B7 anyway, but I want to keep my, I'm canceling my order for the LG C9 tomorrow. Hopefully Best Buy will make it easy. For some reason, they don't allow you to cancel online anymore, and they disabled the chat session. It's annoying. But I'm going to call them up and cancel the delivery, primarily because this B7 is just so damn good. And I don't think the C9 is going to be materially better than what I already own. The only difference between this TV and the 55-inch and the 65-inch C9 that I ordered is the extra 10 inches, and it also had a few extra features that I really wanted, which were those audio features. I really wanted to try WiSA, but I'm concerned about WiSA. I don't want to get locked into a speaker system. I don't want to buy a speaker system that's going to lock me into a TV. That's something I just don't want to end up doing. So for that reason, I'm no longer all that hyped about WiSA until I actually see it on more devices and I actually started seeing cheaper versions of WiSA. And I finally got my Sony soundbar working really nicely. I went out and bought the two overpriced satellite speakers, but they do make a huge difference in my overall experience with my TV. And yeah, I'm really 55 inches is big enough. I don't need a 65-inch TV. And again, like I said, I'm a contractor. I may have to move again in the fall, and I don't want to be lugging around a 65-inch TV. And it's annoying because I actually can't afford like pretty much any TV I want, and I do have a budget, a yearly TV budget, but I don't need to spend it this year. I just don't see any TV that's gonna wow me enough to make me want to give up my OLED B7. And the only TV that may come close would be the Sony AHH. I'm kind of curious about that TV, but I'm not spending $3,000 on a TV, especially when I can get a LG C9 for $2,100. My only concern with returning and canceling the C9 is the deal is just so darn good. I may have to sleep on it. This is what happens when they don't deliver stuff like the next day delivery around here. In DC, that's the annoying thing as well, because in DC, you know, Best Buy did next day service. Here where I am now, it takes them 2 weeks, and that was even before the COVID thing hit. But it's definitely over 2 weeks now that COVID hit, and I've been waiting on a new TV for almost 2 weeks now, and I'm just kind of tired of waiting, and I'm just loving my B7, and I know the C9 was supposed to be delivered on Saturday, but I just don't see a compelling reason to keep it. I just don't. To keep that order. And I know what would happen. I would get the C9 in, I would be initially wowed for like the first 5 days with the largest size, but at the end of the day, I'm always going to end up comparing it to the B7 and going, man, I could have kept this money. The differences really aren't worth all this money. And I would just be ultimately disappointed. I would be kind of disappointed in the C9 in comparison. Like, if there's this is why I wish Best Buy or someone had some kind of TV upgrade program where they'll give you a few $100 and you could get rid of the TV and I wouldn't have to compare it to the B7. And the problem is, I don't want a TV in my bedroom. I know people are like, why don't you just put a TV in your bedroom? Because I don't want a TV in my bedroom. I find it really uncomfortable watching TV in my bedroom. And my bedroom is for sleeping and having sex. So I don't want a TV in my bedroom. I like to listen to audiobooks and stuff before I go to bed. So I like having just one TV in my living room and maybe something in my spare bedroom. But my spare bedroom I use as an office and a home gym. So yeah, I don't need multiple TVs in my home, and yeah, so that is why I'm keeping my B7. I don't think there's a compelling reason to upgrade to a C9 or C10. This picture is about as flawless as a picture can get, in my opinion. And and until there's some major leap, I think I'm good with this TV for the next couple of years, or until it has burn-in again, and then I could be righteously upset or tell LG to, hey, fix it again and give me a new panel this time. So part of me is secretly hoping I get burn-in again, so I can be righteously angry and tell them to demand a new panel. But otherwise, I just love this TV. I'm gonna keep this TV. That's it. Talk to you guys later. I'm gonna try to get back. I'm gonna try to do more regular entertainment related stories, and go back to what I do best, which is TV reviews, movie reviews. I've been saying this for like the last year. I keep avoiding doing it, so maybe I'll do that next, or I won't do any more videos. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.